Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Sadowski here. Today we're going to do Module 6, Lesson 14, and it is a problem-solving lesson. So let's take a look at the 4 questions that you had. The snowfall in year 1 was 2 3/100 meters. The snowfall in year 2 was 1 6/10 meters. How many total meters of snow fell in years 1 and 2? So we're looking for a total. We're putting the 2 years together. So we have 2 3/100. If we're putting them together, we're going to be adding 1 6/10. And again, we want to make sure we're lining up these decimals. 3 with nothing is simply 3. 0 plus 6 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 3 63/100 meters fell in both years. Okay? When we go to the bottom, it says a deli sliced 22 6/10 kilograms of roast beef one week and 13 54/100 kilograms the next. How many total kilograms of roast beef did the deli slice in the 2 weeks? Again, looking for that total, we're putting them together. So we have 22 6/10, and then we have 13 54/100, putting them together, lining up the decimals. So nothing plus 4 will be 4. 6 plus 5 is 11. We carry that 1. That's going to be 6, and that's 3. So the deli sliced 36 14/100 kilograms of roast beef. All right, so far so good. 2 more to go. So here we have on number 3, our school cafeteria served 125 6/10 liters of milk on Monday and 5 34/100 more liters of milk on Tuesday than on Monday. How many total liters of milk were served Monday and Tuesday? Well, we know that Monday is going to be the 125 6/10. And Tuesday said that it was this much more than what Monday was. So for Tuesday, we're going to have to take that 125 6/10, and we're going to need to add 5 34/100 to it because it's even more. So 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 and 3 makes 9. That's going to be 10. Carry a little 1 there. So we have 130 and 94. So this is Tuesday. That's Monday. But the answer wants to know total between the 2 days. So now we're going to take our Monday, and we need to add our Tuesday amount to it. When we do that, 4 plus nothing is still 4. 6 plus 9 is 15. We carry our 1. Don't forget that decimal place. That's a 5. That's a 2. So the cafeteria served 256 and 54. These are liters of milk. All right. Our final question. Max, Maria, and Armin were a team in a relay race. Max ran his part in 17 3/10 seconds. Maria was 0.7 or 7/10 seconds slower than Max. So when you're slower, it means you take more time. Armin was 1.5 seconds slower than Maria. So that's adding even more time. What was the total time for the team? All right, so we have Max. His was the 17 3/10, right? Now Maria is the next person. We know that Maria was slower than Max, which means you have to take Max's time and add a little bit more to it to get Maria's time. So if we add these together, we're going to have 18 seconds now for Maria. Then it says Armin. So let's find out dear Armin's time here. Armin is even slower than Maria. So we're going to take Maria's amount and we are going to add, you might have heard me say 1.5, 1 and 5/10. 5/10 is the same as a half. So we've got a 5, that would be 9, so 19. So now we have Max, Maria, and Armin, but we need the total for the team. So we're going to take all 3 of their times and add them up. 3 and 5 makes 8, our decimal. 7 and 8 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. And that would make 54. So we're looking at the total time for the team was 54 and 8/10, and these are seconds. And there we have it. All right, boys and girls, hope you did well. See you another day. Bye.